Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing the Echo Dot 3rd generation and the Echo Dot 3rd generation with the clock. So essentially they're exactly the same thing, except this one has an LED display which shows you the time, which is very convenient. So let's open these up, let's see what's inside. So that's basically the Echo Dot 3rd generation. This is the charcoal color. So it has the volume buttons, plus minus. It has the microphone button where you could turn that off so Alexa can't hear you. And this is the power button. And in the back you have the power connector. So you can output to a headphone or to a speaker or something like that as well to give you more sound. Manuals and just the power connector. And good to go. Let's see what's inside the Echo Dot with the clock, which pretty much is the same thing. So with the Echo Dot, the basic one, you get a lot of color choices. With the Echo Dot, with the clock, you only get one color choice, which is the sandstone color. So it's kind of like a silverish color. So again, it's exactly the same buttons, you know, and the same output ports. And your power adapter is also a white color. So this is basically what it comes with. So let's get these set up and we're going to do a little demonstration. Alright guys, now that it's set up, and setup was actually really simple. All I had to do was power it on because I bought it with my Amazon account and it was already linked to my account, and I already have other Echo devices, so it was very easy. But even if that wasn't the case, you pretty much need to get the Amazon Alexa app and follow the instructions there. But I remember it being pretty easy even the first time when I set it up. Alright, let's run some tests. So I muted one and we're just going to run it with one of them. So Alexa, set a timer for 1 second. Just so you guys hear it.
1 second, starting now.
Alexa, stop. Okay, so that's the basic sound. Let's do volume. Alexa, set your volume to 90%.
Sorry, you can only set the volume between 0 and 10.
Alexa, set your volume to 9. So it actually shows you the volume when you ask for that. It also shows you for weather as well. So if I say, Alexa, what's the weather in Los Angeles?
Currently, in Los Angeles, California, it's 78 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies.
Alexa,
tonight.
Stop. So that's actually pretty cool that the display one does that the regular one does not. Now if we do, Alexa, what's the tallest mountain in the world?
The tallest mountain on Earth is Mount Everest, which is 29,029 feet above sea level.
Alexa, how tall is that in meters?
8,848 meters is 8,848 meters.
Okay, so that's good that it translated that to meters from feet right away. If I say, Alexa, translate subscribe to my channel in German.
Subscribe to my channel in German is Abonnieren Sie meinen Kanal.
Kanal sounds like channel. Yeah, I don't know if it did it correctly or not, but let me know in the comments below. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, let's do other things like, Alexa, play Children of the Mind from my Audible.
Getting your selection from Audible. Resuming Children of the Mind.
This is Audible.
Audio Renaissance presents
Alexa,
Children.
Stop playing. So I actually really like this feature because I really like Audible. Now we're gonna get into things that it can't do so well. So Alexa, how far is downtown Los Angeles from Woodland Hills, California?
Sorry, I couldn't find what you're looking for.
Nope. Yeah, it's pretty terrible with driving directions or just directions at all. Alexa, what are beets good for?
Beets can also be pickled and used as a condiment. Both the root and the greens can be used as an ingredient in
Alexa,
a variety of...
Stop. So I was actually trying to find out its mineral content. So if I want to find that out, I have to ask for that specifically, saying like, Alexa, what's the nutritional value of beets?
One beet has 100 milligrams of fat, 7.8 grams of
and then it goes into
carbohydrates,
vitamins.
and 71.8 grams of water, 64 milligrams of sodium.
Alexa, stop. So eventually goes and answers my question. You know, I'm just skipping it to not bore you guys to death. But essentially, you have to be specific, whereas With like Google, you could just say, what's it good for? And it'll actually tell you. It does a really good job of controlling your home devices. So I could say, Alexa, lock my front door.
Locking. Hang on. The front door is locked.
So if you have a compatible home device, then with Alexa, it works really well. When I'm making popcorn and I hook up because my popcorn doesn't have an on and off button, I hook it up to an Amazon plug. I just tell Alexa, turn on my popcorn maker. Essentially, that's something you can do, which is actually pretty cool. But it can do way more things than that. Now, another one is, Alexa, play The Witcher on my TV.
I can't do that on TV. Would you like to use your Fire TV?
Yes.
Getting The Witcher from Netflix.
Alexa, what's Tesla trading for?
When the market closed on Friday, Tesla traded at $725 on the Nasdaq.
So that's actually pretty cool as well, where I don't have to be super specific. So some stuff I guess I have to be super specific, and some stuff it's a little more lenient. So it's getting better over time. Another really cool thing is on your app, on your phone, if you download the Amazon Music app, you can actually play music and you could cast it on either individual Echo devices, or you can play them on all of them at the same time, which is a really cool feature as well. So now let's do a speaker test, but let me ask for a song name without telling it the song name, and let's see if it could play that. Alexa, play the official World Cup song of 2010.
Here's what I found. Getting the official 2010 FIFA World Cup film in 3D from Fire TV.
Okay, so it actually came up with the official film of 2018 FIFA World Cup. So that's not what I wanted. I wanted it to play the Shakira Waka Waka song. Now let me try to be a little more specific. Alexa, play the song Shakira sang on the World Cup 2010.
Aleka by Pitbull, featuring Sean Paul on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Okay, so that's not what I wanted. I'm not super clear, but I'm trying to come closer and closer to see if it could actually do it. But obviously if I say, Alexa, play Shakira Waka Waka.
Here's Waka Waka, this time for Africa, by Shakira, featuring Freshly Ground on Amazon Music.
Now, if that wasn't enough, the cool thing is either through a 3.5mm audio jack or through Bluetooth, you can actually hook it up to another either headphones or another Bluetooth device. In this case, I have my Bose SoundLink Mini, and I'm going to turn this on, and it's going to connect with the Echo, and anything I say will now come on this speaker. Alexa, continue playing Shakira Waka Waka. Stop. So it's also really good because while it was playing at full volume, not even that this is super loud, but it's decently loud, again, for something this compact. It can still hear me, which is really good. Let's actually try making a phone call. This is something that some people don't know, that you can actually make phone calls with this device, and it actually goes from your phone number that's connected on your account. So it goes from my cell phone number where the Amazon Alexa app is installed. So if I say, Alexa, call 800-432-1000. Fail. Alexa, call 800-432-1000.
432-1000.
Alexa, stop. That's also pretty cool that it can actually make phone calls and stuff as well. So it can really do a lot. So it can even do jokes like, Alexa, tell me a joke.
What's it called when you're trying to pick out the perfect paint color and all the swatches start to look alike? That's deja blue.
Yeah. Sometimes they're funny. So you could also play Jeopardy, which is also pretty cool. So in summary, is it worth getting this device? Is it worth the price? Now for the price, I am going to say that this device goes on sale so frequently that I wouldn't get it at its original price, especially when Prime Day is just around the corner. But even now at the time of this recording, This is selling for 40 bucks in America, and this is selling for 30 bucks. Normally this one's 60 bucks and this one's 50 bucks. Which one of these two that I like? I kind of like both of them, but I prefer this one. The only bad thing is with this one, it's not really a bad thing, but you only get one color choice, which is sandstone, which is this color obviously. With this one, the regular one, you get a whole bunch of color choices. I personally like the charcoal color. Now, is it better than other devices for the same price? Well, that's for another video review. And I'm actually going to compare this to the Google Nest Mini in another review. So we'll see which one of the two I prefer. But again, this one can do different things and Google can do different things as well. Now, it comes down to, you know, what do you like? What do you use? Do you use Audible? Do you have the Amazon Music subscription? You know, because if you do, this really becomes an awesome device. Do you want to put these all over your house, and do you want to play music everywhere? You know, it's pretty good for that as well. Speaker quality is pretty good for something this small and this cheap. As Alexa gets better, you're going to get all the updates, so you're always going to have the latest Alexa. I personally like it. Is it my favorite? No, I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but I think overall it's a pretty good device. Now, as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below.
Vibration flash.